Welcome to Jeter. This is one of our larger kitchens, and I wanted to just show everybody the sizing of the appliances. So this is always a big question. Normal ranges that you'll find in a main house are 30 inches wide. This unit is 24. It's more compact. Most likely you're not gonna, well, I think you'd still do a turkey in here, but if you put a turkey in here, you're not gonna get much else in. Also something to consider, and this blue star is a great option because you can see how big the burners are. Sometimes on these smaller stoves, you can't really fill it up and put 4 pots on each burner. Then everybody also wants to know where the microwave is gonna go. This is one of our favorite solutions, which is just a microwave shelf. You get a small microwave in there, but it gets it off the counter. These guys have their Keurig and their toaster oven on the counter, so we don't want to take up too much space. This is a great design in that we tucked away this little nook over here to kind of keep all those appliances out of the way. And then we have our built-in refrigerator. This is a Fisher Paykel. It's 24 inches wide. It's nice and tall. The door gets a cover so you don't see anything. And then we've got a nice pull-out freezer and storage in here, and then another storage shelf. And there is an ice maker feature on this option. So this is 24 inches. It's smaller, but keep in mind the cottage is often secondary to a larger house. So if you really need a big giant Thanksgiving, you can team up with the big house. And then the kitchen sink is the other question. This one is one of our bigger sinks. This is 30 inches. We are doing a lot of 24-inch sinks. And then you'll see here on the right is an 18-inch dishwasher. While I do love the 18-inch dishwasher, or the 24-inch dishwasher drawers, these 18 inches are great. You can get a lot in them, and then you can run them more often, and it's more energy efficient because you're not running a large load for such a small house.